Good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Chris Gress here with your PIX 11 weather forecast. Right now, we're looking at 67 degrees out there with lots of clouds, a couple of showers. Humidity is still up, though, at 93%, and winds are light out of the southeast. Not much variation in temperature, though, going about 66 out there in West Hampton and Islip to out to 70 there in Morristown under overcast skies. Fog has been an issue earlier this morning today. Down to White Plains right there with just a quarter-mile visibility. Even right in the city there, just a mile and a half. But things do improve as you head out towards West Hampton there, as they have not seen any of the rain yet. Local radar showing a couple of showers over the 5 boroughs now. Bit of a heavier downpour there towards Hempstead. And as you look off to our west here in Morris and Warren County, looking at a line of thunderstorms appearing over there. And we could definitely see something like that later on in the 5 boroughs. What is causing all this rain? Well, we do have a cold front right off to our west there, and then a low off into the ocean there. That is actually the remnants of what was Tropical Storm Felipe. And both of those are going to come together to give all that wet weather that we're going to see today. Not going to see too many storms out there, but here and there we could see one develop. Also going to be quite humid in the day. Temperatures not really warming up that much. It will hang around 70, and suburbs not really getting out of the 60s there. As we head towards 11 o'clock, we'll see a break in that rain, but it's going to keep coming down as we head into Connecticut and Long Island over there. Then about 1 o'clock or so, could see maybe some storms come over the city there before we see another break at about 3 o'clock, and then some leftover showers around the 5 or 6 o'clock hour before we wrap up there later in the evening. How much rain are we looking at? I'd say about a half to an inch of rain for the city, as well as points north and east. A little bit less as you head out west, just a third of an inch down there in Morristown, and barely a tenth there in Trenton. Now, we do have a flood watch, though, because if we do see a number of thunderstorms form out there, as well as areas of heavy rain, we could see some flooding there on streets, rivers, and even some streams. And a lot of the rivers around the area have already peaked and crested, so it's not going to take much more rain to have some flooding occur again. Winds, not much of a factor earlier today. Out of the southwest, probably about 5 to 15 miles an hour or so. But as we have that cold front move through later today and the colder air moves in, we're going to see gusts of 20, 25, even in excess of 30 miles an hour there as you head on the island. Also on the muggier side earlier today, dew points up into the mid-60s or so. But again, with that frontal passage, we're going to have a good drop in that dew point dropping to the 40s. And you'll notice that difference out there. Clearing out overnight tonight and even cooling down. Just 49 there in New City, Weehawken at 52. And right here in the city, mostly clear with 50 degrees. Okay, looking into our futurecast for tomorrow, though, looks like a mixture of sun and clouds there, maybe a couple of raindrops hanging off to our north. Then a copy and paste for Monday there, maybe a couple extra clouds, especially as you head into southern Jersey. A lot more sun there on Tuesday, a copy and paste for Wednesday. And as you head into Thursday, you could see another storm system approach from the west with that warm front moving to our north there. It's going to give us a couple of showers there. Hudson Valley might stay out of it. And then into Friday, clouds hang around, but the rain is gone. Looking into your 7-day here, temperatures on the seasonable side, primarily looking at low 60s to some upper 60s as well. Got a couple of sunny days there as well for tomorrow and Wednesday. Could see some more showers late Monday into Tuesday, and then a second storm system moves in for Thursday and Friday.